How to subscribe to Amazon Prime on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to subscribe to Amazon Prime on Android. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Amazon Shopping app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the search bar at the top, and there you can just search Amazon Prime or Prime. And now here on the search result, you'll see the Amazon Prime at the top. So there you can just tap on it. Now here in this section, you can just tap on start your trial or join Prime depending on the option available, and here with that you can sign in to your Amazon account if prompted. And here you can choose your preferred Prime membership plan and follow the on-screen instructions to add a payment method, and finally confirm your subscription with that. And that's it. That's how you can subscribe to Amazon Prime on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.